In this video, you will see how to write a header in Google Docs. First, we need to activate the header region, and to activate the header region, go to the Insert tab and click on Header and Footer and select the option Header. Now type what you want inside the header. By default, it is at the left side, and to move it to the right side, you have to click this option, Write a line. After clicking on it, the header will shift to the right side. Now, even if you keep typing, the text will remain at the right side. Once done, double click inside the Google Docs document. Now check out these useful videos shown on screen related to header. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.